Submarine yard Bohai Shipbuilding earlier this week moved the first Chinese Type 09 volts nuclear-powered attack submarine into the launch bay at the yard's facilities in Huludao. Naval News has received a number of detailed satellite photos showing the new design in the flooded dry dock. Relevant sources have not consented to publishing of the high-resolution imagery in question. Therefore, this article provides a graphic accurately describing the observations outlined below. It is important to note that several aspects of the new design are preliminary estimates. The new boat measures roughly 110 to 115 meters in overall length. This figure is not significantly different to previous Type 093 SSN. However, unlike the older boats, the new design is notably wider, at an estimated beam of 12 to 13 meters. These dimensions would result in an estimated displacement of 9,000 to 10,000 tons submerged. Additionally, the new SSN features a prominent X-tail rudder arrangement with very large control surfaces. The configuration is a first for Chinese nuclear-powered submarines. The Type 09 volts in the imagery available shows an unfinished open compartment behind the sail. This segment is plausibly a VLS for anti-ship and land attack missiles. The imagery available to Naval News does not reveal the forward dive planes. No control surfaces are discernible on the relatively conventional sail. An early impression is that the new boat will use retractable hull-mounted dive planes. Such a step contrasts with the fairwater planes used by previous Chinese nuclear-powered and conventional boats, with the exception of the Russian Kilo class. Finally, the propulsion arrangement is also obscured. However, Type 09 volts almost certainly uses a pump jet, as opposed to a skewback propeller. The former would be in line with Type 093B and adequately meet the performance envelope on a new generation nuclear-powered design. The high waterline indicated by the visible red painted lower hull suggests reduced reserve buoyancy compared to earlier Chinese submarine designs. This characteristic may imply a single-hulled design for Type 09 volts. All previous planned submarines, both nuclear and conventional, have used a double hull arrangement. Several characteristics remain speculative for now, as this article mentions. Nevertheless, the appearance of this new generation SSN would seem to underline that Chinese efforts to significantly improve and expand the planned fleet of nuclear-powered submarines are proceeding at pace.